Morning, welcome back to a video. Welcome back to my channel Umkosi Nophilile. Thank you so much for tuning in. Very much welcome. So guys, kule video sizokhuluma ke ngoBhuti Big Zulu. Sishone namhlanje ke kuthiwa ke uthola ingozi yemoto. He's been hospitalized usesibhedlela ntontoni. Kuningi abantu kade sebekukhulumile bafowethu, abanye sebebabaza ukuthi uBig Zulu vele wayethe uthwele baletha leya clip le sakhuluma ngayo bafowethu before sathi hayibo. Akuyena uBig Zulu lona nje amanga nje la fake nje. You know whatever what was happening there. Leya khumbula leya voice note whatever where lo yamuntu ekhuluma ngokuthi yena ukhathele ile ntwalo bla 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 kwenzakala lokho nalokho ekuthwale kwamanje usekhathele ile nyoka e1010 abantu bethu uBig Zulu sathi no, this is just a lie man, it's not him. So manje mayisethola ingozi yemoto abantu sebehlanganisa izinto sekuthiwa ke manje nguBig Zulu nangu wathi yena ke uthwele and ukhathele ile ndaba yokuthwala manje the ukuthwala gone wrong. I'm like ukuthwala gone wrong but felt like no, that was said ukuthi again uBig Zulu lawyer. So now the ukuthwala gone wrong kuphi bafethu umuntu ethola ingozi yemoto kunokuthi nje sisympathize nomuntu sizwelane nomuntu nje ukuthi awunkosi yami kwaze kwakubi ngoba ingozi bafethu uthola noma ubani uthwela uthwalanga ingozi yemoto right. So kuthe makuzwakala ukuthi uBig Zulu uthola ingozi yemoto abantu bathi hayi into wayeshilo wathi yena ukhathele intwalo wathini hayi bafethu kodwa siyakwazi ukukhuluma. Yo angazi mangihamba la ka YouTube amangake nje ama channel engiwabonile sekudlala leya audio leya ekabhuti lo yawathi yena ke uthwele manje yena nanku ayi bafethu ukuthi uBig Zulu uthole i-car accident right. Asifunde la ukuthi usephumile esibhedlela nakhona umrape uBig Zulu ke eva kwengozi yemoto emehlele ngesonto ebusuku ubonga abantu bakulelizwe ngokumbeka emkhulekweni nasesibhedlela abelashwa kusona iAlbertine Care ngokumamkela right. So I think I saw kukhulunywa ke ngokuthi usephumile esibhedlela uBig Zulu bafethu. It wasn't what we thought. It wasn't what we thought. So ngizwe lapha nestory nesibhale ke ngesingisi ngizophindela emuva kancane as I'm scrolling kazi moja bebethi Big Zulu recovering after the car accident. So sizothi siza ukuthi batheni ngoba kayiso lezi bebengazange balethe information egcwele batheke lana kazi moja. Rapper Big Zulu was involved in a car accident on Sunday night. His record label Inkabi Records confirmed this late on Monday afternoon. So he is recovering in hospital. Big Zulu his real name is Usiyabonga Nene and he's 38. Recovering in the hospital and his car a BMW 325i angazibiza kanjalo ikusheshe was so mangled it looks like a write-off from the photos posted on the record label social media pages. Ngizibonile ke lezo ithombe ngathi iphelile nje kwamaphela nje bafethu. In a statement ke the record label ibabhale bathi bona Nkabi Nation, it is said to announce that Big Zulu was involved in a car accident last night. Please keep him in your prayers. We will share his progress and any updates on our WhatsApp channel. The record label did not share the details of the crash or the accident scene apart from sharing the photos of the mangled Maroon Kusheshe. We are relieved to share that Big Zulu sustained minor injuries and is currently receiving medical attention in the hospital. As a valued member of this Shuni Womhlaba family and an inspiration to many, we extend our heartfelt thoughts and prayers to Big Zulu during this traumatic time. So they also wish him a speedy recovery. We wish him a speedy recovery and look forward to seeing him back on his feet, continuing to share his incredible talent with the nation. So ke bafethu konke lokho bese sikukhuluma ke ngale yantwalo I think akuhlangani when it comes to me. Bakhona bazothi uyifeni ka Big Zulu ntontoni ukuthi nje into mayingamanga uyayiza ukuthi lawa amanga lawa. Sesifuna ukuthi sihlanganise that audio yakabhuti wathi uthwele na sesithina ngoba abantu abathwele ukuthi bavelelwa zingozi babe beshone guys for me akuzange kuhlangane nje because I know very well le audio leyaningamanga nje kwasekuqaleni. So how come sesiyidonsa sihlanganisa no Big Zulu? It's not him there. Honestly speaking, it's not him bafethu. So uthole nje ingozi yemoto kwaba nje nanku phethu sephumile esibhedlela simbonile ithombe uzimele nje uright akukho la ahlephuke khona uvela imele nje bekadinga nje medical attention kancane manje usebhandeshiwe ke uright nami ngiyana nje bamkhipha esibhedlela uright nje. So laba bentwalo zabo siyasizwa ukuthi ziyabathintitha nje ntontoni kwezakalani what kodwa nangiyana phela uBig Zulu bafowethu wayesihlanganisa naleya audio yamanga ngoba sazi kahle ngoba uningi ukuthi akusuhuye but we just want to make sure ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi huye ngoba nakusethola ingozi yemoto akusho ukuthi ilento yokuthwala bafowethu ake simeni kancane ake simeni kancane bafowethu engikubongelayo nje ukuthi siyambona ke kuthiwa ke uphumile esibhedlela ke uzolulama esendlini ke bafowethu all the best to him, speedy recovery to him. And yeah, sorry man, ingozi ziyenzeka bafowethu kubani noma ubani, ingozi yemoto uyayithola ke noma ungenamoto uyakwazi ukuthola ingozi yemoto ihambela nje ngeenyawo boom bakushayise, you know, something like that kuyenzeka nje lokho bafowethu ungathwalanga nje unganalo ukuthi inkosi yami uzile eTaxini or whatever uzile emakuleni ikushayisa imoto, you know what I mean. So ingozi yemoto man, singahleli njalo sifuna ukuthi sithi abantu bathwele abantu batheni abantu lokhiyana nje ngokwalo yayabhuti samuzwa ukuthi bamkhuluma nangegama loyabhuti bathi ubani sengikhohlwe nje kwegama loyabhuti ngisengisho lo we-audio bamkhuluma nangegama bathi vele ngathi ukukhuluma cishe kufana no Big Zulu, so but it's not him. But anyways ke bafowethu ukuthi uphumile esibhedlela futhi nje uyalulama yonke into ihamba kahle, all the best to him. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video, like, subscribe, share ke ungakhohlwa ufake notification bell yakho on yokusiza ukuthi njalo manga upload ke you be notified. Asihlangane kwenye video elandelayo, bye.